Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Monkey. And in this video, we are talking about a not so popular, a very cheap phone. It is none other than the BQ S37. First of all, this smartphone is very cheap at just coming and costing 1800 Indian rupees or just 24 US dollars. It is a Chinese phone and it is made by the BQ company. The company is not that popular, but still, it has some amazing smartphones. Now let's see the smartphone in detail. On the right, we can see the power lock unlock button. On the top is the headphone jack and the charging port. On the left is the volume rockers, and on the bottom there is nothing. The speakers are on the back of the phone. Speaking of the back side, we have a camera. This camera, it is just 0.3 megapixel camera, 3 megapixel camera, and it has an LED flash along with it. And on the front is a 0.3 megapixel camera. The camera is not good at all. This phone has just 3.5-inch display size, which is very small as it is compared to the Lumia 540, which is a 5-inch smartphone. If you want to see more videos on Lumia 540, I have made a video on Lumia 540. It is link in the description and you can go on the cards listed above. Now let's talk about its specs. It has a dual core 1.2 GHz processor with Mali 400 GPU. The GPU is not that good. The performance of this device is very bad. It cannot even run the Temple Run game without a lag. It has 5.12 megabytes of RAM and 5.12 megabytes of storage, but you can only use 32 megabytes. Even you are putting an SD card, it will not allow you to download an app or a game which is just about 32 megabytes. So you can even use WhatsApp and Telegram. I have used it, but one at a time. And also you have to clear the data of WhatsApp or Telegram every day before using this. And now, who would use this phone? It is very cheap, and those who need to use a not so attractive phone but don't go with a feature phone, you need a smartphone itself, you can choose this phone. It can only be used mostly for calling and sending SMS and no other things like WhatsApp. I won't recommend using a WhatsApp in it, but still you can use it if you're in very big need for WhatsApp. Yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I know this video is a very short video. I just wanted to show you guys there is a smartphone called BQ S37. Yeah, this smartphone is not that bad, guys. You can use it only for calling purposes or like that. Still, it is good phone. For its purposes, it stands good. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. I see you in a next video. Till then, take care.